Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the position of the lamp button in the Safari web browser toolbar. If you're using Safari and want to move the lamp button to a different location for easier access or a cleaner toolbar layout, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. To change the position of the lamp button, right-click on the lamp button and select Customize Toolbar from the menu. A panel will appear below the Safari toolbar. You'll also notice that the toolbar icons start to shake slightly, indicating that they can be rearranged. Now, click and hold the lamp button, then drag it to your desired new position. When you're done, click the blue Done button to close the customization panel. From now on, whenever you open the Safari web browser, the lamp button will remain in the position where you last placed it. And that's it. You just leveled up your internet life. Smash that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more browser hacks you didn't know you needed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.